What's up, future leaders? Today, we're going to be diving into something crucial, and that's building your digital presence in 2025. And let me tell you something, with the recent TikTok bans in the US, the game has shifted. But don't worry, depending on your career goals, you should focus the majority of your time on one specific platform. For some, it may be YouTube. In others, it may be Instagram. I'm not sure. Don't try to be everywhere. Remember that. And here's how you're going to choose where you want to be. First thing is, where's your industry active? Next, what content format feels natural to you? And third, where are your future employers or collaborators hanging out? Now, if you're a student looking to jumpstart your career, LinkedIn is definitely the place that you need to show up the majority of the time. I'm noticing a lot of job applications, they have a space for a person to showcase their LinkedIn, and I promise you, they are going to look. With that being said, today we're going to focus on building your LinkedIn presence. So let's get to work. Woo-hoo! LinkedIn is the primary professional platform, and you need to make sure that your profile is optimized, which means that your professional headline needs to pop. You need a banner image that's going to showcase your personal brand and an about section that's going to tell your story. And please, please, please do not use an AI photo of yourself. I've been seeing that way too often on LinkedIn. Now, the comment that I often get from college students is they don't have a single clue about what to post on LinkedIn. And if you're thinking, yeah, that's me, then I'm about to break down this to you in an extremely simple way. All right. So when approaching your content strategy for LinkedIn, this is what I want you to do. Share your projects, your class projects, anything that you learned in class, document any type of internship experiences that you've had, and also share your industry insights. Now, we flip the script and talk about the engagement side of LinkedIn. This is what I want you to do. I want you to comment on industry leaders' posts. I want you to share relevant articles with your opinions and also engage with your university content. I promise you, they're going to repost you and you're going to get more traction. Now, that's pretty straightforward, right? I really hope it is, because it's that simple. Do not overthink LinkedIn. It's just like any other social media platform. And these tips I just gave you will easily put you ahead of the majority of college students, because most people would not stay consistent with those easy tips. Speaking of consistency, I want to give you a content framework that has helped me stay consistent. I call it the 40-40-20 rule. 40% of educational content, tips, insights, industry updates, and also demonstrating my skills on LinkedIn. Next 40% is your journey documentation, behind the scenes, progress updates, anything that you're learning. And the last 20% is personal brand building. So networking interactions, achievements, milestones, personal achievements, all things like that. Now that we have that out the way, it's time to start truly establishing your LinkedIn presence. And this is your homework before you watch the next video. For the first 2 days, I want you to set up your LinkedIn profile. Between days 3 and 4, go ahead and start creating some content, some throwback photos, some throwback posts, talk about some experiences that you went to, networking events, all things like that. I promise you have so many things that you can pull from. And then the last 2 days, I want you to focus on engagement, okay? So comment on 5 daily posts, leaving valuable comments. All right, don't just say, great, congrats. I want you to also connect with 3 individuals every single day. You can continuously recycle days 3 through 7 to always grow and establish your LinkedIn after this week is over. And as always, remember that it's not about being everywhere with your digital presence. It's about being valuable where you show up. Focus on one platform, just one, master it, then expand. And with TikTok being out the picture, you have the time to really nail down these other platforms. In this case, we're talking about LinkedIn specifically. In the next episode, y'all, we're going to be diving into creating content that resonates and builds real connections. I'm super excited about that one. So, as always, don't forget, when it comes to your personal brand, it's not about pretending to being someone else. It's about strategically showcasing the best version of yourself. I'll see you later.